Today I'm making bruschetta. This is my version how I make it. I like it with parmesan cheese, and I like to bake it in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll show you how it's done. For this recipe I need a French baguette. I have 5 tomatoes, shredded parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, I have some dry basil and olive oil. You can use fresh basil if you have it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and chop these tomatoes. I like to cut this end part. Okay, now the tomatoes are all chopped, so I'm gonna go and season them. So I'm using salt, a little bit of black pepper, and basil. Put olive oil. Go ahead and mix this. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna slice this bread and put it on this cooking pan. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice this in an angle. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and arrange this bread. Maybe I can squeeze one more in there. Okay, all right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place this tomatoes mixture on each piece of bread. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add this shredded parmesan cheese. And there you have it. And now this is gonna go in the oven at 400 for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so the bruschetta, it's all done. It cooked for about 15-20 minutes in the oven at 400. Look at the bread, it's toasted nice. The cheese is melted. It just looks delicious. I hope you enjoy it. We like to eat this as an appetizer We like to have it for lunch. You can have it as a side. You can even serve it when you have a party at home. Whatever your desire is. So there you have it. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time for my next recipe. Bye bye.